Hi guys, my name is Emma and today we will be trading with OTC currency pairs because this is the amazing weekend but we want to make money. And I will also use that trading indicator called Bollinger Bands. We've already discussed this indicator and I see that you're interested in it because you asked me lots of questions and I want to show you more citations connected with the using this indicator. And of course I want to thank you for all your questions, for all your feedback, and I see that you're very fond of trading of all these indicators and of trading with me in one team in my closed chat. If you're not a member of this closed chat yet, I recommend you to become this one because I post there the trading signals and my guys take the signals and open the transactions perfectly and close them profitable. To become this member of my dream team, you have to find the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private. I will add it to this closed chat and you'll find there the very big amount of information that will be very cool for you, and you will also start your trading today if you don't have enough motivation. So guys, if you're ready to start, put a like, subscribe to the channel and let's get it. So hi guys, today I will be trading with OTC currency pairs because today it's a weekend and we want to trade, we want to make money, but the usual exchange is closed. Usual currency pairs are not available and these OTC currency pairs are going to help us in this situation. And also you remember that if you cannot trade on weekdays, these currency pairs will be also suitable to you. So, and also I will take the Bollinger Bands indicator to trade as assistant with my technical analysis. So let's look at it. I've changed my settings. I've put 14 in the upper column and 2 in the lower column. So the indicator is the zone with the lower band and the upper band and the moving averages between them. You can also notice that when it is the uptrend, the moving average is the support line from which the price is bouncing and moving up. Thus the price has been moving in the upper part of this indicator, and when this is the downtrend, the moving average, this is the resistance line, and the price is also bouncing from it and moving down. When this is the sideways movement, this indicator helps to determine the lower and the upper border between them. The price is moving and bouncing in the opposite direction, so there is some patterns, and among them you can see the impulsive going beyond the indicator zone. In this situation there must be the movement in the opposite direction. It is likely to be. And this movement can help us to determine the zone of the price movement. And of course, you know that this indicator can have some errors, and that's why I always recommend you to conduct the first technical analysis and then pay attention to the indicator hints. I think in today's trading I will find different situations, different patterns, and show you how to read the market, how to analyze it correctly, and how to open your transactions for what period of time. I will analyze the technical analysis and the indicator zones. So let's start with the first situation. So here you can see this point, the price reversed and is moving down, and also the price has approached the lower band of this indicator and the pullback is happening. So here I will open a trade up for 2 minutes because I think that in this situation the price is likely to keep moving up because this is a very good potential for an increase. You can see that due to this chart, and I suppose that 2 minutes will be enough for that. And you can also see that from the lower band the price impulsively moved up. So that is very good. As you can see, the price moved up and we got the profit, the very confident one. So this indicator helped me to determine the lower border of the price pullback and the price moved up. So let's find another situation. So here you can see that right now the price is moving beyond the indicator very impulsively. So here I will open a trade down for 1 minute only, and I think that after such the impulsive movement up, there must be the retracement, a slight pull back down, because as in most cases I've already told you, if you see the impulsive approach and the impulsive breakthrough, there always is the retracement movement, and we should be ready for it, and always 1 minute is enough for that. So guys, it is very good. You can notice that the slight pullback down happened and we got the profit here. So as I said, 1 minute was enough for that. That means that we can continue. So here you can see this is the support level. I'm showing you this, and also the price bounced to the moving average of this indicator. Here I will open a trade down for 2 minutes. The moving average is the resistance line from which the price is bouncing and moving down due to this downtrend. Exactly this situation we are working out right now. I think that the price is likely to bounce from this moving average and will be moving towards the support level, because this is the downtrend, and it means that this is a very good potential for a decrease. The price will move down and we have to check it. So that is very good. This downtrend continued down to this level. We got very good profit. So this indicator was very good assistant and helped me to determine the border of this pullback. So let's continue. So this has been very confident upward movement, and the price impulsively gone beyond the indicator, and this is the attenuation happening. So this is some kind of resistance zone. Maybe in this situation the price is likely to keep moving towards the level from which there will be the pullback down, or maybe this reaction will happen right now without approaching the resistance levels. That's why I will open a trade down for 3 minutes with the reserve, because I think that in the near future one of the situations will take place and the price then move down, and I think that 3 minutes will be enough for that. So that is very interesting. As you can see, the price really reversed and went down very confidently. We got the amazing profit. So let's continue with another situation. So here you can see the price came to the lower band of the indicator, and right now I'm gonna open a trade up for 2 minutes, and the price has been moving in this range, and from the upper and the lower bands the price is giving direction, and this is the movement in the opposite direction, but the general trend is going up here, and I'm sure from this lower band the price will move up, and in this situation this will be very good entry point. So let's check it. So that is very interesting. As you can see, the price moved up as we analyzed, and that's why we got the profit. So 2 minutes were enough for that. So from this lower band of the indicator, really direction happened and the price went up. So let's continue. So here you can see the amazing downtrend to the support level. There is some place, and right now the price bounced up to the moving average of the indicator. So here I will open a trade for 2 minutes down, and I think that from this zone there will be the reaction. The price will keep on moving down, because right now this moving average of the indicator is the resistance line from which the price has been bouncing and moving down, and I think that 2 minutes will be enough for that. Well, let's check what's gonna happen here. So that is very good. This downtrend continued and we got the profit here. So our analysis was correct and we can continue. Well, here you can see that the price here hasn't possibly gone beyond the indicator, our indicator zone, yes, and you can see red candlestick is appearing, so we need to open a trade down for 1 minute, and I think that in this situation, in the very near future, there will be the retracement movement and a slight pullback down happen. Because as in most cases, I've already seen that after such the impulsive movement up, you can see that on the chart there will be the retracement and the movement down, and I suppose that the reaction will happen very soon, and also this indicator confirmed this entry point. Well, let's check it. So that is very good. So the slight pullback down happened, the price got to this retracement zone, we got the profit here as well. So let's continue with another situation. So here you can notice the amazing potential for an increase. This is the uptrend, the resistance level at the top. So from this level the price bounced down to the lower band of the indicator, and I think from this lower band there will be the reaction. That's why I am opening a trade for 2 minutes up, because this general trend is going up, as I said, and I suppose that 2 minutes will be enough and the price will keep on moving up towards this resistance level. So let's check what can happen here. So that is very good. As I said, the price moved up as we analyzed, and that's why we got the profit here. Very good profit. So this indicator is very useful for this trade. So my deposit is $8,000 and I will find the last trade for today. So here you can see the support level at the bottom, and this is the moving average from which the price has been bouncing and moving down. So this is the downtrend, you can notice that. So here I will open a trade down for 2 minutes, and I think that from this zone there will be the reaction and the price will keep on moving down towards this support level, because I can see here quite good potential for a decrease, and the price has been moved quite confidently, and 2 minutes must be enough for this, for our profit. Well, let's check it. So guys, that is very good. As you can see, the price moved down to the support level and we got the amazing confident profit. So this indicator was useful to me. It helped me to determine the zone from which the pullback happened, and this moving average was the resistance line. The price was bouncing from it and moved down. So my deposit is $10,000, and I'm sure that's enough for today. And I remind you that it is all about the OTC currency pairs and the Bollinger Bands indicator, and you can use it. You can trade whenever you want with this indicator. Just use the right approach, analyze everything very accurately, very carefully, and take my pieces of advice that I give you, all my recommendations. Try to find these situations on your chart, and of course try and switch on this indicator, and I'm sure you will succeed in it. So now you see that these OTC currency pairs are amazing thing, and if you don't have enough time on weekdays or at weekends, it's the best idea for you. I would say the bestest one. Just take that, find the situations, practice. Because the one thing that I always like to discuss, that there are people who really want to become the traders, who want to practice a lot, but they practice a lot only in their heads, and they do not know what to do. But I recommend you just to start, just to do something, and after that it will be much easier. And also my trading close chat will be the best idea for you if you really don't know what to start with. Find the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private, and I will add it to this closed chat, and you will understand what to do finally. And maybe already today you will close your first trade with very good profit. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, put your like, write in the comments everything you want to know, your feedback, your requests, everything. And see you next time.